Hi, I am Terri Hudran. I am the program supervisor for Cosmetology program at IntelliTec in Pueblo, Colorado. And I have been a hairstylist for 28 years, and I have been an instructor here at IntelliTec for 5 years. I have just become the program supervisor about 4 months ago, and I have enjoyed it very much. We are always trying to improve our program every day that the students are here. We try to make them more advanced with the matrix knowledge, as well as with hair cutting, coloring, them doing nails, and also doing facials. We do encourage our students to market themselves. That is one thing with our career, is marketing themselves, showing them how they could make them get more clients into their chair. We do have students, they come in, and when they talk to the salon owners, they actually can give them a portfolio and a resume. So by the time they are done with our program, they could be employed with any corporation or any owner salons that are looking for stylists. I have been doing hair for 28 years, and I know how hard it is to have them come in and have clients behind your chair and keeping busy. So we try our best to not only do the stylist side, but do the showing them how to do the business side as well. So I really feel that IntelliTec is the best choice, and quality. It's all about quality and making everybody, quality behind the chair, working as a salon owner, manager, or even just going in and working, in the community. It helps people feel better about themselves.